Welcome to this short video looking at how easy and intuitive it is to drive the PHABRIX QX and QXL rasterizers. Out of the box, this is what the QX will look like. If I hover over the PHABRIX logo in the bottom left of the screen, you will see it lights up. If I click here, you will see the instrument menu pop up, showing all the instruments available on this unit. From this list, I can select any instrument I wish with a simple left click. Here, I'm choosing the picture instrument. You can see the picture appears. I can move this around to any position on the screen. If I double left click with my mouse, the picture gets bigger. And again, a double click makes it full screen. Double click again, and it's back to small. I'm now going to drag it to the top corner using the mouse, double click, and leave it as quarter screen size. That's how simple it is to select, resize, and move instruments within the QX series. Simply go to the instrument menu and select the instrument of choice. It will then appear on the screen, and you can position, resize, or move the instrument as required. If you wish to remove an instrument from the screen, just right-click and select Close at the bottom of the instrument menu. If we start again, adding that picture instrument back onto the screen, if I right-click on the instrument, you'll see a sub-menu appear. I can select any of these options to appear on the screen. Here, I've chosen to add in timecode information. I can choose where to position it on the instrument as well as its size. All the instruments are readily available, never more than 2 clicks away from selecting a menu and its submenu. So that's one instrument on the screen. I'm now going to build a traditional quad-split screen. Firstly, adding in the Analyzer Waveform instrument. Double left-clicking to make it quarter screen size. Next, the vector scope, and finally, the audio meters. Now we have a very familiar quad-split layout. If I want to lose the toolbar at the bottom of the screen, I can simply left-click to hide it, and I can carry on working with the instruments as normal. I'm now going to make some changes on here. I'm going to right-click on the waveform and flip the parade mode from YRBG to YGBR. I can now save this instrument layout as a preset. If I right-click on the toolbar, you can see I have this option to save system state as preset. If I click on this, you can see in the bottom left corner a new preset has been added to the preset bar. With an attached keyboard, these be named to differentiate presets. You can also have more than 99 presets saved on the QX series. The unique feature with QX series presets is that they not only remember the selected instruments, but they also remember the submenu options selected. This allows users to save bespoke layouts for different operational tasks. For example, for individual users, or for groups of people, such as QC departments. Presets can also be easily copied from one QX to another via USB sticks to help during a multi-unit setup. There are many instances where a quad-split layout just isn't sufficient. I've set up another preset here, showing 13 instruments. The layout can be altered by simply left-clicking and moving the individual instruments around. In many applications, particularly in IP SIMP T2110 or where we have HDR analysis requirements, we need more than 4 or 5 instruments on the screen at any one time. With the QX series, we can have up to 17 instruments displayed simultaneously. Each time an instrument appears on the screen, you can see there is an icon associated with it along the horizontal toolbar. If for whatever reason we change or lose something, for example accidentally closing the window, we can simply go back to the preset on the toolbar and revert to the original instrument display as it was set up initially. And that concludes just how easy and intuitive it is to use the QX series' innovative and fully flexible display. If you would like any further information or guidance on the QX series interface, please contact sales@phabrix.com.